Similarly, you can show that one variable is independent of the other variable. The first type of data is numerical data. There are two types of numerical data. One, discrete data. It holds distinct or counted values. For example, the number of employees in a company or the number of students in a class. Two, continuous data. It holds values within a range which can be measured. For example, the height can be measured in feet or inches and weight in pounds or kilograms. The second type of data is categorical data. It has two types of data. One, cluster or group. For example, students can be divided into different groups based on height: tall, medium, short. Two, ordinal data. For example, a ranking system, a 5-point scale with ranks like agree, strongly agree, and disagree. The third type of data is time series. Data measured in time blocks such as date, month, year, and time, hours, minutes, and seconds. There are several types of plotting techniques that can be used to visualize data. The choice of plot depends on the kind of data you are dealing with. Sometimes more than one plot is used to develop a better understanding of the data. When there is a new data feed or you have not worked with such data before, you can use more than one plot. Following are a few high-level plot selection techniques. If the data is continuous, histogram, line chart, regression plot. If the data is categorical in nature or you need to identify patterns in the data, scatter plot, cluster map, heat map. An important point to note is that the data analytics process is an iterative one. This means that during every step of the process, you have to check the original question or intent to ensure that the analysis is on the right track. At the end of the process, you should be able to answer the question or solve the problem through data analysis by retracting the steps scientifically. Here are the skills and tools required for each step of the data analytics process. Question or business problem. Ability to ask relevant questions and understand the problem. Domain knowledge or substantive expertise. Passionate about data. Analytical approach. Data acquisition. Beautiful soup for web scraping. CSV or other file knowledge. NumPy. Pandas. Database. Data wrangling. CSV or other file knowledge. NumPy. Pandas. Database. SciPy. Data exploration. NumPy. SciPy. Pandas. Matplotlib. Conclusions or predictions. scikit-learn, the main machine learning library. CSV or other file knowledge. NumPy. Pandas. Database. SciPy. Communication or data visualization. Pandas. Database. Matplotlib. PPT. CSV or other file knowledge. Let's now look at some of the challenges of the data analytics process. Let's now quickly recap what we've learned in the lesson. Data analytics is a process that will answer a question or solve a business problem. There are a number of skills and tools required to carry out data analytics successfully. The data analytics process is challenging in the data wrangling, data exploration, and model selection phases. Exploratory data analysis includes quantitative and graphical techniques. Data visualization techniques communicate data characteristics and patterns effectively. Hypothesis testing is used in research and analytics to understand the relationship between dependent and independent variables. This concludes the lesson, Data Analytics Overview. The next lesson will discuss statistical concepts and business applications.